Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play NBA Mobile. First, download the NBA Mobile app from your device's app store. Once installed, create a new account or simply log in if you already have one. The game will then guide you through a quick tutorial, which is super helpful for understanding the basic controls and getting a feel for the gameplay. It's a great way to jump right into the action. Once you're in a game, mastering the controls is key. You'll use the virtual joystick on the left side of your screen to move your player around the court. When on offense, tap the shoot button to take a shot and swipe to pass the ball to an open teammate. On defense, use the block and steal buttons strategically to disrupt your opponent's plays. Practice makes perfect. A big part of NBA Mobile is building your dream team. You can acquire new players by opening packs, which often contain rare cards, or by bidding on players in the auction house. Remember to upgrade your players' skills and overall ratings to make them stronger. Carefully choose your starting lineup to create the best chemistry and dominate your opponents. Don't forget to complete daily objectives for extra rewards. NBA Mobile offers several exciting game modes to keep you engaged. Dive into season mode to experience a full NBA season, competing against other teams. For quick challenges and unique rewards, check out the live events that refresh regularly. If you enjoy competitive play, challenge other users in head-to-head matches. You can also join a league to collaborate with friends and earn collective bonuses.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.